welcome to another episode of Lucy Has No Idea What She's Doing. I have been feeling really super overwhelmed, so I've decided to start this week by having a tidy up of my room, tidy space, tidy mind. And now I'm going to sort out swapping some stock over for one of my stockists who has some stickers on backing cards and they would prefer them without. So I got my stickers returned from my wholesaler. So basically it's not that there's anything wrong with the stickers or anything like that. Now I put them on the backing cards because I thought it would make it easier for retailers to display them. So I'm just going to do a straight swap with the stock that they've sent me back, and then I will send these out. Okay, so next I'm going to be doing something pretty exciting. I've just been gifted a label printer from MUNBYN, which I'm going to be trying to set up in this very small, very messy den. And then we're going to test it out, so let's go. Should we print it? Are you gonna watch? That was me and Paul high-fiving, by the way. Oh my god, look how cute it is on the desk. It's so cute. Look at the little holder. So I also got gifted these holographic round stickers, and you know me, I love anything that's holographic. These go on this middle part here. In theory I'll be able to switch between these holographic ones and the shipping labels whenever I want, because if you didn't know, the printer also does like creative stickers and stuff, so they sell all of these little round stickers and different shapes and colours and patterns and things like that with different finishes, and you can also print through that as well, which is awesome. So it looks really cute. It printed super quick, so I'm very much looking forward to testing this tomorrow on my massive batch of orders from the EHARTs market. So you, my baby, are going to have lots of work tomorrow. Well, I'm so sorry, the light keeps going in and out. It's just so dark in here. Very all over the place. I got a problem. Now I need to find somewhere to place this plant in my very cramped studio, and all of my plants since we've moved here have been really unhappy. They hate it in this room. They hate it. I mean, this one's looking not too bad compared to my other crispy specimens. orders from the EHARTs market, and now it is time to print out my shipping labels on my new shipping label printer. Let's go. I'm not just saying this, I actually love it. Like, I'm in love with this label printer. So, I am going to quickly open some parcels that I have got, recent Kickstarters. I thought I'd show you. So I believe this is from Emily Harvey. Ooh, look how cute that is. It's so shiny, the foil is amazing. Foiled bookmark. And I got this pin. Oh my god, it's really cute. 5 stars. You light up, is it every room? Yeah, you light up every room. How cute is that? The reason I chose this particular pin is because it's like a bugbear of mine of how people give 4 stars on Etsy on orders. And they say, perfect, absolutely loved it. 4 stars. The problem is that on Etsy, 4 stars is seen as a negative thing. Unless you've actually got something negative to say, like it's great if you can give small businesses 5 stars. Just letting you know, in case you're not aware, so that we don't get penalised by people like Etsy. Like Paul's the same, like if I'm like, oh, rate my food, he'll be like 9. And I'm like, but you just said it was like one of the best things you've ever eaten. And he's like, yeah. And I'm like, why isn't it 10? He's like, because I don't give 10s. Why? You just said it was the best thing you've ever eaten. Right, next. Or how am I gonna get in there? I think this is from Kelly Lou. Oh, I found a hole, I found a hole. Oh, it was like a puzzle. You know what, I'm just gonna slice. I'm just gonna start hacking. That green dot is from my little star lamp. So this, I got sent this ages ago. I hold my hands up, I'm terrible. Oh, cute. She's putting these little shroomy stickers. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at them. I got shrooms, of course. What's she taking? And they are stamps. Can you see? Look, oh my god, they're so cute. So you can tear it, but obviously it's not very neat, so probably neater to cut it if you want it to look like a perfect stamp. But oh my god, they're really cute. I really, really like them. Thanks, Kelly. Right, next thing I'm gonna show you. Ooh, are we gonna have room here? I don't know. Right, I'm just making sure it's the right way out. For the grand reveal, this is my new sign for Stationery Fest. I don't know what you can see. Hello? That's as good as we're gonna get. My arms are aching now, but oh my god, I love it. It's really pretty. Okay, my lovelies, I am going to leave it there. Don't forget to check out the label printer. The link will be below in the description. Thank you so much if you place an order in the EHARTs market. Makes me super happy, thank you. And thank you for being here and watching and supporting me as always. I love you guys, and I will see you again soon for another video. Bye.